Using an air fryer should be easy, but small mistakes can completely ruin your food. Soggy fries, dry chicken, uneven cooking. In this video, you'll learn the 7 air fryer mistakes most people make and how to fix them so you get better results every time. Welcome to the channel. We break down simple tips so you can get the most out of your kitchen gadgets. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing. If your air fryer food keeps coming out soggy, dry, or just disappointing, you're probably making one of these mistakes. And the crazy part is, most people don't even realize they're doing them. Let's get into the mistakes, because fixing these makes a huge difference. 1. Overcrowding the basket. It's tempting to throw everything in at once, especially when you're hungry or cooking for more than one person. Feels faster, feels easier, but this is exactly what's holding your air fryer back. Air fryers don't actually fry. They rely on hot air moving around your food. And when everything is packed together, that air has nowhere to go. So instead of getting that crispy texture you're expecting, everything turns soft and uneven. The fix is simple. Give your food some space. Spread it out in a single layer, and if needed, cook in batches. It might feel like you're slowing things down, but in reality, you're finally getting the results you wanted in the first place. And once you fix that, there's another small step most people skip that quietly affects everything. 2. Skipping the preheat. A lot of people treat their air fryer like a microwave. Just put the food in, press a button, and walk away. But your air fryer works more like an oven, and starting without preheating, that throws everything off. When the temperature isn't high enough from the start, your food begins cooking unevenly. It won't crisp properly, and the texture just feels off. The good news is this is one of the easiest fixes. Just let your air fryer heat up for about 3 to 5 minutes before adding food. Now, once your air fryer is properly heated, the next mistake comes down to how you're using oil, and this one surprises a lot of people. 3. Using oil the wrong way. The name air fryer makes it sound like oil isn't needed at all, so a lot of people skip it completely, and that's usually why the food turns out dry, pale, and a little disappointing. But then there's the opposite problem, adding too much oil, which just makes everything greasy. So what's the right approach? It's all about balance. A light coating, just a quick spray, is more than enough. That small amount helps your food crisp up and develop that golden color without making it heavy. Once you get that right, your food already looks and tastes better. But there's still one step during cooking that many people ignore, and it shows in the final result. 4. Not shaking or flipping. This is one of those things that seems optional, but really isn't. If you just set the timer and leave everything untouched, your food cooks unevenly. One side gets all the heat, while the other side barely catches up. That's why you sometimes end up with fries that are half crispy and half soft. The fix is quick and simple. About halfway through cooking, give the basket a shake or flip your food. It only takes a few seconds, but it helps everything cook evenly on all sides. And once you start doing this, your results become much more consistent. Now at this point, you might feel like you're doing everything right, but there's still a common mistake that can undo all of this. 5. Using oven instructions without adjusting. This one is extremely common. You grab something from the freezer, read the instructions on the box, and follow them exactly. Same temperature, same time. But here's the problem. Air fryers don't behave like ovens. They cook faster, and they hit food with more direct heat. So using oven settings usually leads to overcooked, dry, or even burnt. Instead, lower the temperature by about 25 degrees Fahrenheit and reduce the cooking time slightly. And when you're trying something new, check on it a little earlier than you think you need to. Once you get used to those adjustments, your results improve almost instantly. But even if you do all of that correctly, there's something behind the scenes that can still affect your food. 6. Not cleaning it regularly. This is the step most people put off. After cooking, cleaning the air fryer is the last thing you feel like doing, so it gets skipped again and again. But over time, grease and food particles start to build up, and eventually that buildup affects everything: how your air fryer smells, how it performs, and even how your food tastes. If you've ever noticed a strange smell or a slightly off flavor, this could be why. The fix is simple. Clean the basket and tray regularly. It doesn't take long, and it keeps everything working the way it should. And once your air fryer is clean and running properly, there's just one last mistake that can still cause frustration. 7. Cooking the wrong foods. At this point, your technique might be solid, but not every food works well in an air fryer, and that's where a lot of people get frustrated. Light foods like leafy greens can get blown around and burn quickly. Wet batters don't stick properly and end up making a mess instead of forming a crispy coating. So even if you're doing everything else right, the results can still fall short. The key is to work with what the air fryer does best. Foods like like fries, chicken, vegetables, and frozen snacks tend to come out great because they benefit from that circulating heat. Once you stick to the right types of food, everything becomes much more predictable and much more satisfying. And if you've fixed all of these things but your food still isn't turning out the way you want, then it might not be you, it might be your air fryer. Not all models perform the same. Some struggle with airflow, some heat unevenly, and others just don't have enough power. So I spent time comparing different options and narrowed it down to 5 of the best air fryers based on real everyday use. If you want something that actually delivers crispy, reliable results without all the trial and error, check those out in the description below. Watch the video, Best Glass Air Fryers for US Kitchens.